Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to configure PPOE server and PPOE client on the Mikrotik router. Okay, for in this video is very important. I want to show you the technique of the ISP that create the username and password PPOE provide to the customer for access to the internet. Okay, and then I'm go to the lab and I want to show you the clearly about the how to configure. Okay, this is the Mikrotik router from the ISP company. Okay, and this is the Mikrotik router for the customer. Okay, this is the step that we have to configure for the step one. Create the IP address pool for the customer at the Mikrotik router from the ISP. So all the steps we have to configure in the Mikrotik at the ISP company. Okay, only the Mikrotik at the customer we configure only the PPOE client. For the PPOE server we configure on the Mikrotik router at the ISP. Okay, and then this is a step. Okay, I'm going to the Windows SP client 1. Okay, and then I'm go to the Windows client SP1 and connect to the WinMount set to the Mikrotik router at the ISP company. Okay, and then I'm connect. Okay, and then we go to the follow up step. The first step we have to create the IP address pool for the customer. Okay, and then I'm go to the create the IP address pool. I'm go to the IP. Okay, and then pool. Okay, and then I'm add the pool. Okay, in the pool name set the customer pool. Okay, customer pool. Okay, this is a IP address that provide to the customer when the customer connect the username and the password right from the ISP provide to the customer. The IP address will be assigned to the customer. Okay, by the PPOE client. Okay, and then create the IP for the customer pool. Okay. Okay, I'm already to create the IP address for the customer pool. Okay, and then we go to the step 2 and about PPOE service. Okay, I'm close this one. I'm go to the PPP. Okay, and then I'm go to the PPOE server. I'm click add. Okay, this is the name of the service name of the PPOE service. Okay, you can put anything the name of the service of the PPOE. For me, keep service one. Okay, for the interface, choose the WLAN. Because the WLAN, the rank of WLAN. Okay, this is the interface for the WLAN. Okay, and then I'm go to the IP address. Make sure the IP address for the WLAN. Okay, this is the rank IP address for the WLAN. Okay, I'm put the pool name the same as network WLAN. Okay, I'm go to the pool. Okay, this is the pool and the rank for the interface WLAN. Okay, okay, and then I'm choose the WLAN. Okay, and then I'm click OK. Okay, for the next step we create the profile for the customer. Okay, I'm go to the PPP and then go to profile and create a new profile. Okay, this is the profile name. You can put example for me customer profile. Customer this profile. Okay, for the local address you can choose the pool that you create. Example, I'm create customer pool and from remote address also customer pool. Okay, and then I'm click apply. Okay, Okay, for the next step, we have to create the username and password PPOE for the customer. Okay, and go to the script, create the new. Okay, this is a username for the PPOE client. Okay, example, put the user at 12345. Okay, and the password 123456. Okay, for the profile, you can choose the profile that you create before, customer profile. Okay, okay, and then you can click apply. Okay, okay, after you already to create the IP address and about PPOE, create the profile, username and the password PPOE already. Okay, you can provide this PPOE username and the password to the customer. Okay, the save. Okay, this is the username and password for the PPOE that you create at the Mikrotik router at the ISP. You can provide to the customer, and then customer put the username and the password into the Mikrotik at the customer. Okay, and then configure PPOE client. Okay, for the Mikrotik router and the ISP, we configure PPOE server, and for the customer, we configure PPOE client. Okay, and then I'm go to the Windows SP 3, configure PPOE client. Okay, and then I'm go to Winbox. Okay, connect to the Mikrotik router at the customer side. Okay, okay, and then I'm go to the IP address. Show you the IP address. Okay, this is the IP address from the LAN. I'm connect to the LAN. Okay, we not get to see PPOE address from the PPOE server. Okay, and then I'm go to the add the PPOE client. Okay, click on this one, click on the PPOE client. Okay, okay, you see the PPOE client. Okay, for the general, you click in the first for the when in the first. Okay, and then dial, you type the username, the password that the ISP provide to you, PPOE username, and the password that the ISP provide to the customer. You can put some for user and 12345. Okay, this one, username and password PPOE. Okay, password 12345. Okay, and go to the address. Okay, and then when I click apply, you will to see the address, IP address from the PPOE client. Okay, okay, there you see this is the IP address from the PPOE server that we create the customer pool, assign to the PPOE client for the customer. Okay, so we create already username and password. We put already. Okay, and then go to the IP CMS. Okay, put the already. Go to the IP firewall. Okay, okay, add already for the NAT and the ball NAT. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then you can ping testing for to the internet. Okay, there you see already to apply from the internet. So user can access to the internet. Okay, I'm to the DNS for Google. Okay, reply. Okay, and then go to the Windows SP and ping to the internet. Okay, sorry. Yes, already to reply. Okay, so go to the browser and access to the website. Okay, so we can access to the Google. Example, I'm tired of my mistake. Okay, So you see, okay, so I can access to the website already for the username and the password PPOE they provide from the they provide from the ISP to the customer. Okay, this is the process of the how to create the PPOE server and the PPOE client. Okay, for the customer and for the ISP. Okay. Okay, in this video I'm finished. Okay, hope all you help me to like and comment and share on my video. Okay, especially subscribe on my channel. Okay, thank you for watching my video.